Ana Belén Elgoyhen. I'm a scientist. I live now in Argentina and I have worked almost my entire life in Argentina. I'm a molecular biologist working in inner ear physiology. To make a good discovery or to be a good scientist, you need a combination of things. You have to be in the right place at the right moment, surrounded by the right atmosphere, by the right people, by the right combination of bright minds to help you nurture your own science. I immediately realized that I had made a discovery. I had this wonderful eureka moment where I have found a molecule which people in the hearing field had been looking for almost 30 years without finding the solution. And I just by chance stumbled upon this discovery. These molecules which communicate the brain to the inner ear are important and are part of a system which is named the efferent system. It enhances or tone detection in a noisy environment so that we can hear, for example, each other and filter out background noise. I think that science is a teamwork. Teamwork means different people, different ideas, different ages. So I work with a big group of people, like 20 people, and from different ages, different backgrounds, and each of them has their own ideas, and they have the freedom to explore the ideas. And the most important thing for me is that we all get along together and that we collaborate together. And to be a scientist in Argentina, those challenges are even bigger, because Argentina goes through ups and downs all the time. Being a scientist in Argentina, you do it because you love it. There's no way around it. If you don't like what you do, you're never going to be a scientist here. I love nature. Although I live in a big city like Buenos Aires, I like outdoors. I sail. We have a sailboat and we go out in the river and sail in the river, and that gives me sort of peace and freedom. The water is really something that really cools me down. I really need the support from my family. My husband really is proud of who I am, so he's always supporting me, and this has been crucial for the development of my entire career. Without him, I wouldn't be who I am now.